Listen, right now, as you sit there, the world is spinning. It's spinning fast, faster than you think, and it doesn't give a damn about you. Not your dreams, not your excuses, not your tears. The world is a machine, cold, relentless, and indifferent. It chews up the weak and spits them out. You're either fuel for its gears or a ghost it forgets. There's no in-between. You think someone's coming to save you. Your boss with a raise, your parents with a bailout, the government with a check. Wake up. They're not. You're alone in this. The only thing standing between you and the abyss is what's in your hands right now. Your money, your will, your fight. Financial success isn't a luxury. It's armor. It's the only shield you've got in a society that'll crush you without blinking. And the first step to forging that armor? Budgeting. Not some feel-good spreadsheet game. Budgeting like your life depends on it. Because it does. This isn't a pep talk. This is a warning. Stack cash or get crushed. Let's dig into the dirt of it. Picture this. You're late on rent. The landlord's banging on your door. Not with a smile, not with a hey, let's work it out, but with an eviction notice crumpled in his fist. Your car breaks down on the side of the highway, and the tow truck driver doesn't care that you're crying about your bad week. Your kid's hungry, staring at you with those big eyes, and the grocery store clerk isn't sliding you a free loaf of bread out of the kindness of his heart. That's the world you live in. It's not a fairy tale with happy endings and guardian angels. It's a meat grinder. It's been grinding people into dust since the day you were born, and it's not stopping for you. You've seen it, haven't you? The guy on the corner with a cardboard sign used to have a job, a house, a life. Now he's invisible. The woman in line at the pawn shop, trading her grandmother's ring for a few bucks to keep the lights on. That's not bad luck. That's not a twist of fate. That's what happens when you don't armor up, when you don't stack cash, when you let the world catch you with your pants down. Society doesn't mourn the broke. It doesn't build statues for the bankrupt. It doesn't hold candlelight vigils for the guy who couldn't pay his bills. It moves on. The machine keeps turning. Your friends, they'll ghost you when your checks start bouncing. Your family? They'll pity you, maybe. Shake their heads and say, poor thing, he tried. But pity doesn't pay the rent. Pity doesn't put food on the table. The world doesn't care about your potential. It only respects what you bring to the table. And if that table's empty, you're nothing to it. You're a shadow, a whisper, a memory no one bothers to keep. That's the cold truth staring you in the face. You can feel it, can't you? That chill creeping up your spine. That's reality knocking. And it's not here to cuddle you. But here's the flip side, the part they don't tell you. The world doesn't care when you win, either. It doesn't resent your success. It doesn't send hitmen to stop you when you start stacking cash. It doesn't care if you climb out of the mud and build a fortress. It's indifferent to that too. And that's your edge. That's your goddamn weapon. Budgeting isn't about sipping lattes at some hipster cafe and dreaming of yachts. It's about staring that machine in the face and saying, not me. Not today. You don't get to break me. It's survival. It's taking every dollar you earn and making it a brick in the wall between you and the void. It's not pretty. It's not fun. It's war. And you'd better start fighting, because the world's not waiting for you to get your act together. Let's talk about weakness. You know what it looks like. You felt it. That sick twist in your gut when the ATM spits back insufficient funds, like a slap to the face. That cold sweat dripping down your back when the phone rings, and it's a debt collector who knows your name, your address, your every move. That's what happens when you don't budget, when you let your money slip through your fingers like sand in a storm. Weakness isn't just a feeling, it's a death sentence. It's the slow bleed that kills you while you're still breathing. You think you can coast? You think you can spend today and figure it out tomorrow? Tomorrow doesn't wait. Tomorrow comes with fangs. Tomorrow comes with eviction notices, repossession trucks, and a bank account that laughs in your face. Every dollar you waste is a bullet you're loading into the gun pointed at your head. That extra beer you didn't need? Bullet. That subscription you forgot to cancel? Bullet. That shirt you bought just to feel good for 5 minutes? Bullet. The world doesn't forgive sloppiness. It punishes it. It hunts it down and rips it apart. I've seen it up close. Too close. A guy I knew. Good dude, hard worker. Lost his job. No savings. No plan. Thought he'd get by. Thought the world would give him a break. 6 months later, he's sleeping in his car. Windows fogged up with his own breath. A year later, the car's gone. Repo man took it in the dead of night. Now he's a shadow, shuffling down the street with a backpack and a blank stare. That's not tragedy. That's not some sad movie scene. That's consequence. He didn't stack cash. He didn't armor up. He thought the world would catch him when he fell. It didn't. It stepped over him and kept going. And don't kid yourself. You're not immune. You're not special. You're one missed paycheck away from that same edge. One medical bill. One car repair. One bad day. The numbers don't lie. Nearly 80% of people out there are living paycheck to paycheck. Paycheck to nothing. That's not a statistic. That's a graveyard waiting to be filled. That's millions of people one step from the drop, clutching at air. Weakness is the shovel that digs your hole. Every time you skip budgeting, every time you say, I'll start next month, every time you blow your cash on garbage you don't need, you're handing that shovel to the world and begging it to bury you alive. You're begging it to crush you. And it will. It always does. But here's the thing. You don't have to let it. Weakness isn't your fate. It's not written in stone. It's a choice. You can choose to fight. You can choose to stack. You can choose to armor up. Budgeting isn't optional. It's the line between living and just existing. It's the difference between standing tall with your head high and crawling through the dirt with your hands empty. It's the difference between being a ghost and being a force. You've got to decide, right here, right now, because the clock's ticking and the world's not pausing for your indecision. So how do you fight? How do you stack cash in a world that wants you broke, that wants you bleeding? You get brutal with yourself. You get disciplined. You budget like a soldier in a war zone. Because that's what this is. This isn't a game. This isn't a hobby. This is your life on the line. First, you face the truth. Pull up your bank account. Look at it. Every dime in, every dime out. No excuses. No hiding. No lying to yourself about where it's going. That's your battlefield. That's where you plant your flag. Then you cut. Ruthlessly. Mercilessly. That streaming service you barely use? Gone. Eating out 3 times a week because you're too lazy to cook? Dead. That impulse buy at the checkout line? Buried. You don't need it. You don't deserve it. Not yet. What you need is cash. What you need is armor. What you need is power. Next, you build. Take what's left and stack it. Emergency fund first. $500, $1,000, whatever you can claw together from the wreckage of your old habits. That's your shield when the world swings at you. That's your lifeline when the car dies, or the doctor hands you a bill that makes your stomach drop. Then debt, smash it. Every extra dollar you scrape up goes to killing those chains. No mercy, no compromise. You don't negotiate with debt. You destroy it. You rip it out of your life like a weed choking your future. After that, investments, savings, wealth. Brick by brick, dollar by dollar, you build a fortress the world can't touch. You build a wall so high the machine can't climb it. You build a life that doesn't bend, doesn't break, doesn't beg. This isn't easy. It's not supposed to be. It's sacrifice. It's waking up every day and choosing to say no. To yourself, to temptation, to the lies that you deserve to splurge, that you deserve a break. Every no is a yes to something bigger. Every no to that coffee run is a yes to a roof over your head. Every no to that night out is a yes to a future where you don't flinch at the mailbox. Every dollar you stack is a middle finger to the machine. It's a scream in the dark that says, "You don't own me." You're not just surviving, you're winning. You're carving your name into the stone of this world, and the world can't stop you. Look at the ones who made it, the ones who climbed out of the pit. They didn't win because they were lucky. They didn't win because they were handed a golden ticket. They won because they budgeted like their lives depended on it. Because they did. They stacked cash when everyone else was blowing it on trash. They armored up when the world was waiting to crush them. They stared into the void and said, "Not today." You've got the same shot, the same power, the same blood in your veins. But it's on you. No one's handing it to you. No one's carrying you across the finish line. You've got to walk through the fire yourself. Think about the alternative. Think about what happens if you don't. Picture yourself 5 years from now, still broke, still scrambling, still praying for a miracle that never comes. Picture the shame in your eyes when you can't look at yourself in the mirror. Picture the weight of it, the calls you dodge, the doors you lock, the dreams you bury because you didn't fight when you had the chance. That's not a life. That's a slow death. That's the world crushing you, piece by piece, until there's nothing left to crush. Is that what you want? Is that who you are? A victim? A footnote? A name no one remembers? Or do you want more? Do you want to stand up? Do you want to stack cash until the pile's so high it blocks out the sun? Do you want to armor up so hard the world breaks its teeth trying to bite you? You can. You will. But it starts now. Not tomorrow. Not next week. Now the world doesn't care. Say it with me. The world doesn't care. It's not your friend. It's not your enemy. It's a force, blind, brutal, and unstoppable. It'll grind you down to nothing if you let it. But you don't have to let it. Imagine it. A year from now. 5 years. 10. You're not scrambling anymore. You're not begging. You're not lying awake at night wondering how you'll make it to Friday. You're standing on a pile of cash you built with your own hands, your own sweat, your own fire. The world throws its worst at you. Bills piling up, layoffs hitting, disasters roaring in. And you don't flinch. You don't blink. You're armored. You're untouchable. You're free. That's not a dream. That's a decision. That's a war. You can win. Start today. Stack cash or get crushed. The world's watching. It doesn't care if you win. It doesn't care if you lose. But I know you can win. I know you've got it in you. So fight for it. Bleed for it. Claw your way up. Take it. Take every dollar, every chance, every scrap of power you can get your hands on. Because no one else will. Because the world doesn't care. But you do. You have to. Stack cash. Build your armor. Stand tall. Or get crushed. The choice is yours. Make it now. To the grim-faced warriors out there, those of you who've been in the trenches with us, stacking cash, forging armor, spitting in the face of a world that doesn't care, respect. You're back because you know the truth. You know this isn't a game. You're building something unbreakable, and we're damn proud to fight alongside you. Keep swinging. Keep stacking. You're the backbone of this movement. And to the new blood watching, if this hit you in the gut, if you felt that fire spark, Don't just sit there. Join us. Subscribe to the Grimface movement. This isn't a feel-good channel. It's a war cry for anyone ready to claw their way up. Hit that button. Become a warrior. Stack cash or get crushed. We're here for the fight. Are you?